Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Revid AI and Invideo AI. Revid AI and Invideo AI are both powerful video generation tools, but they serve slightly different purposes and user preferences when it comes to ease of use, customization, and pricing. First, go to the Revid.ai website, then click on Create Videos Now. Continue with your Google account and choose your Google profile. Here, you'll be asked to share 3 to 5 hashtags you're most interested in. Then briefly describe who you are and what you're into. After that, click Save. Now click on Create a Video. Use the slider to set your target duration. Enter a video prompt like a boy with curly hair running on the mountains. Now, choose Moving AI Images and click on AI Video. Then pick a generation preset. You can either select a voice or record your own narration. Finally, click Generate Video. When it comes to pricing, Revid offers 3 plans: Hobby at $39, Growth at $99, currently offered at $39, and Ultra at $199. Now, head over to Invideo AI. Click on Try Invideo AI. Join using your Google account, then select your account and click Continue. Then select how you discovered Invideo and answer all setup questions based on your preferences. Once you're in, tap the prompt, a boy with curly hair running on the mountains. Then click Generate My Video. You'll be asked to select the duration, platform, and visual style. After that, check the available plans and click on Generate to create your video. So if you prefer a more tailored prompt setup with a more control over the creative process, Revid AI gives you that edge. But if you want a quicker, streamlined workflow with platform-specific outputs, Invideo AI may suit you better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.